Have you ever heard of Blogger? Blogger.com? I want to teach you about it today because it is an awesome free product. And YouTube has a link to it, so you can create your own blogs there. And you can even make a blog out of a YouTube video. So maybe you just like videos, but you really want to do a blog. Well, how about we combine the two and put a video in a blog and make it a blog? That's called a vlog, but not in this case. So that is what I'm going to be showing you. So here is blogger.com, and you get on this site and then you sign up. It says create your own blog, and then you just push this, click on create your own blog, and you will be taken to this Google page. Now, if you don't have a Google account, I'm not sure what it is, maybe because I have Google Chrome, that's why it takes me there. But regardless, if you don't have it, I'm sure there's other ways to sign up. But anyways, if you have it, this is the way you sign up. You just click on your name, and then you go into it, and then it will log you in. So it logged me in, and it just says blogger right here, and we're going to make this small. And now we're here, create a new blog, and here is your window, and I mean, everything is set up for you. It's right here. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like new, but here is the one that I have been using, the one that I made, and it is called The Idea of It. I made it years ago, and let's just see if I can see how many years ago. 2012, and then I didn't do anything to it. I wrote one little post, but that was a blog post. You can do that all with this free product, but also now you can make it a vlog and put your videos in it. That is a really cool thing. So let me just show you. This is the blog. You have all of your stuff here. Earnings, that's if you want to be an affiliate for this. You market it, its website. Settings, layout, pages. The only thing I worry about is this part right here, new post. So you click new post. And there you go. You've got it going. You've got to put a title right here. You type out what you want on your blog. I don't spell that right. And here you go. You can preview it. Oh, you can do an emoji. So there you go. So you can do emojis. You can put a video in here. So you upload your video. Oh, but look, here it is from YouTube. Just put the link in there. Put the link to your YouTube or the YouTube video. Maybe you don't want to, maybe you have another video that you want to share. It has all my YouTube videos that I've already put on there. These are brand new. And they're already up on this. So I have access to them right now. Let's just see, lost a license in Hawaii. Select, there you go. And there you go. There's my confused face. And it's got my video in there from YouTube, and it's in the blog. So now it is a vlog. And look, you can change the color of your text. You can change the heading, so you can change what it looks like. So you can have the heading, the bold, the font is just a little bit, just a couple of fonts. The text, just the couple of sizes. And if you don't like something you did, I didn't like doing that header style, it went back to normal because I pushed the back button. If I didn't want that YouTube video in here, I can just push the back button. But look at this forward button. It puts it back in there for you. So, isn't this cool? So these are the things that it does. And this is the things like you really need to know. So you can save it right here. Push save, that way when you come back to it, it will be saved if you accidentally close out or whatnot. You can preview it here. So the idea of it is the name of my blog. And here is the blog, Lost a License in Hawaii. And it has a little About You section. So I typed that up. I think that's a little thing about me, my picture about you. And look at this, how many blogs you've done. So see, I have not done that many blogs. And I knew about this thing, but I've only done it every now and then. So I really wanted to do a video on it because I think it is so cool that now I'm going to show you what you can do with it from YouTube. So you can see as this came up as an untitled post, I didn't put a title on that. So that is why it did that. But let's just go to YouTube. And it's a video that I put on here. And it's, so there's my video. And if you click the share button, so maybe you're on YouTube and you're just sitting there thinking about it and go, wait, I want to put this on Blogger. So you just opened your account and now you went on YouTube and you said, oh yeah, this is the video I want on Blogger. So it puts it, look at this, Blogger blog this. So it takes my title, puts it in there. So I guess on this one it did not do that. But for this one, you did it from the YouTube site. It took you to Blogger. It put it up on a web page, on a blog page, and it took the title and it put your picture in there, and it is just amazing, right? And then you can type right here, and you can, I think you can type here. Yep. So you can type above it if you just, move your cursor. Okay, so there you go. You can do that. And then, let me play with this. I can change the color. I can make it bold, italics, underline it, and I can make it bigger. And I can make it the largest. Woohoo! Look at all this neat stuff you can do with it. There you go, publish post. And I'm going to show you what it does. All right, you can view the blog here or edit the post. Okay, let's just say I want to view it. The idea of it, that's the name of my blog. I thought of that in 2012. And now it's still here. And here you go, what to sell on eBay. So look, there it is on YouTube. Then now it's on my blog. Now you can see where it took that last one, which I didn't really name. It took Lost the License in Hawaii video and already put it up there. See, it's like going down. It's just like a blog. It does your blog like crazy. So that is all you have to do. So if you've ever just wanted to do a blog, get a blog out there, start a blog, I want you to know that you can do it for free. So you can set up your account, and then if you don't have time to write and maybe you have time to do videos, then you can just hit this little share button and go to Blogger and share your video right there. That is very cool. So you want to hit subscribe here just to get the knowledge of little things that I just figure out. And you want to put a like on this video if you liked it. And if you thought I gave you enough information, maybe you didn't think that I needed to add something, or maybe you thought it was great that I added something, you can comment on this. So those are the things that you can do. You want to know how to do this, you want to know how to blog, then you can go to the Home Business Academy. That company is amazing. I am with it, and I'll put the link below. It has training courses for everything. I mean everything. And there is a new blogging link in there where you have so many, like a couple different videos on how to blog, how to set it up, everything. I don't know if Blogger's in there, but this is a really good tip. Like if you just don't have any money to start out, then you really want to go to the BrandingYOUniversity, Home Business Academy, that you can be an affiliate in, and it costs a little bit more, but the training is unbelievable. But with BrandingYOUniversity, it has free programs, so you can get a free program that teaches you how to blog. Things that the little setup of blogging, it gets you your own blog, and it just sets it up for free. And then I'm just going to tell you, like, when you get someone to sign up as an affiliate, you just joined it as free, you get 25% of what they ordered. I mean, what they signed up with. And then if you become an affiliate, so you pay the money per month, then you get 75% of their membership. Anyways, that's just a side product. I want you to know about those things because you can know about blogging, you can learn about blogging, and you will just be you will be ready to run with it. I want you to have a great day. Thank you for watching, and you can watch another one of my videos right now.